Vivo Y15s Wi-Fi not working problem. Hello friends, hope so all of you are doing well, and in this video as I already told you, we are going to fix Vivo Y15s Wi-Fi not working problem or Wi-Fi not connecting problem. So first of all, just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are new to this channel. So let's start a video without wasting any time. So to fix Vivo Y15s Wi-Fi problem, first of all just tap on settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.